Every day, workers lift, carry, and move items. But one wrong lift can lead to painful injuries. Let's learn the safe lifting procedure that protects your back and keeps you working safely. Step 1. Plan your lift. Check the weight. Remove obstacles. If it's too heavy, ask for help or use equipment. Step 2. Get close to the load. Keep the object close to your body. Spread your feet for a stable base. Step 3. Bend at the knees, not the waist. Keep your back straight and your head up. Let your legs do the work. Step 4. Get a good grip. Use your whole hand, not just your fingers. Step 5. Lift slowly using your legs. Avoid twisting. Keep the load close to your waist. Step 6. Move smoothly, don't jerk or rush. If you need to turn, move your feet instead of twisting your back. Step 7. Set the load down just like you lifted it. Bend your knees, keep your back straight. Let's recap the right way to lift safely. 1. Plan. 2. Get close. 3. Bend knees. 4. Grip. 5. Lift with legs. 6. Move smoothly. 7. Set down safely. Remember, your back is for life, not just for lifting. Lift smart. Work safe. For more exciting and safety-oriented videos, subscribe to this channel.